Ja, moram reči, da ima za Košarkarsko zvezo Slovenije ta skupščina, ki jo organiziramo v Portorožu, velik pomen, kot veliko priznanje štejemo to, hkrati pa veliko obveznost, polno zaposlenost naših sodelavcev smo videli v zadnjem tednu. Cel ta vikend nas je veliko z Košarkarske zveze Slovenije tukaj in to sam pomaga pri prepoznavnosti slovenske košarke v Evropi.
But what I want to highlight here is not even trying to be polite, the atmosphere among the delegates, and this is all, the big part of it is the hospitality we receive here. And it's not the first time, but it's always again and again amazing to see the level of hospitality and organization of the Slovenian Federation. I really would like to thank them on that way, because they did a crazy job together with my colleagues, but we really feel like home.
I love Luka, I have to say. So I know him very well. I know his father very well. Actually, he's a member of our competition commission in FIBA Europe. And he became more than a basketball player. Even if he's extremely young, he is already an icon. And this is really important for our ecosystem, for our basketball. That kids all over Europe and all over the world, as you can see in the United States, they see Luka playing and they want to become as them. So have this kind of iconic players is extremely positive for our basketball ecosystem, and we're working here today, and we will be working for the next 12 months to create and to develop potentially new Luka Doncic.